Hi guys, how you doing? You know what I caught myself doing? You won't guess. Hold on. Okay. I caught myself going like this. Make sure my hair's pretty. Go figure. Anyway, I am back in Newport. Yoo-hoo! I got a lot to do for. I couldn't do it today because I was wiped out. So I've just been hanging out at the. Been hanging out at the river, just enjoying it. And so I thought, well, I gotta eat. So I went to. Not that I'm eating it, it's for Sammy. I went and got his dog food. They didn't have any single packets, right? So I'm thinking, oh, come on. And all they had was crappy Little Caesars little meals that he doesn't like, okay? So I wanted to get him what he likes. And so $18 later, he better eat it or I'm gonna kick his butt. Well, so far he's not eating it, and I don't know why. It's the same stuff that we fed him at TJ's house, and he's being a little stinker about it. But right now I am cooking supper, and let's see what we're having, or what I'm having, because he ain't getting anything. Hold on. Okay, we're having chicken and yellow rice tonight. Yummy. Yummy. Hold on a second. I can't turn it back and forth like I could the other one. That really bites. This is supposed to be a much better phone. And yeah, I forgot to go to Walmart before I left TJ's, so I don't know what's going to happen with it now, because it's supposed to be a 5G, and it's not. And it's supposed to have 128 gig of memory, and it doesn't. And although the people were real nice, I'm thinking, well, maybe they just got confused, right? It could happen. It was a crazy day at Walmart when I got this phone. Anyway, I know you're probably all concerned about how I'm cooking in the van, but really, you don't have to be concerned. One, Sammy is behind me. The stove is in front of me. I'm not moving from this spot until it's done. And I've got it secured on a tote, okay? Now, I was driving around town today, and I see a bunch of wood, okay? See a bunch of wood. And where was that? I'll have to look again tomorrow. Oh yeah, I remember where it was. Across the street from the grocery store. Anyway, a lot of it looks like it's good. I think they tore out the restaurant that was in this one building. So there's wood. And what I'd love to do is get a piece of wood, a thick piece of wood, and put it behind the stove, in between the stove and my front seat, okay? Now I have part of the cover of the stove pushed up against, the back, just to keep safe, and the front seat isn't even warm, so it's all right. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to plan on getting a piece of wood for that. I think that'll work out. I think it will. Let's see if this is done yet. I'm hungry. done yet. Anywho, got my mailbox sorted out. I'm going to see Dave and Patty tomorrow, and we're all going to go out to dinner. And tomorrow will be the first time I get to put Sammy in his diapers. Okay, I don't like those ones where it keeps him from going pee. I don't think that's healthy. It might be, I don't know. But I've got doggy diapers. So David is concerned about him marking his territory all over the house. I don't blame him. I don't blame him one little bit. So while we go to dinner, Sammy is going to have to stay in the bathroom. You know, I hate that, but, you know, what am I going to do? You know, I don't want to leave him in the van, and I don't, you know, it's just not a good situation. But maybe he won't be so bad. So I'll let you know how that works out tomorrow. Let's see, what else went on today? Not much, because I haven't done anything. I laid around and I crocheted a little bit on a, where the hell was it? It's going to be a jacket, you know, and this is just the start of it. So this is like the arm here, and the front will be here. So this could fit a little person right now. But yeah, I just been doing that today, just kind of chilling. So anyway, the short video, but yeah, but I'm hungry and I need to eat before I pass out. So yeah. Oh, I got my mirror taken care of. There's been these two little, on my passenger side mirror on the outside, there was this one mirror in the corner. Then there was this little mirror, and I couldn't frickin' see, you know, what was coming up. So I got out my handy dandy little single or one edge blade thing and scraped it off, and now I can see. I can see. Okay, that's all I got for today, guys. You guys take it easy and take the long way home.